Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're diving into the massive hidden business of AI data acquisition. Let's start with a wild question. What exactly happens to your DNA when a tech company goes bankrupt?
Here's the agenda. We'll track aggressive data acquisition, the AI flywheel, and finally, corporate asset liquidation.
As Professor Subodha Kumar points out, AI runs on data, and biological data, that's premium crude.
Take 23andMe. They amassed 15 million users, literally turning human biology into a massive strategic asset.
See, next-gen AI desperately craves this detailed ground truth data to train smarter, superior autonomous models.
So companies use cheap hardware as loss leaders, like direct-to-consumer DNA kits or B2B clinical partnerships.
In the B2B space, hospitals like the Mayo Clinic partner with companies distributing smart medical hardware.
This triggers the data flywheel. Cheap hardware harvests proprietary data, which then trains vastly superior AI.
That high-quality data builds a serious strategic moat, drawing in even more users to the ecosystem.
But moats can dry up. Look how fast 23andMe went from a multi-billion-dollar peak to bankruptcy.
By 2025, that massive DNA database was liquidated for just $305 million to TTAM.
This sparked a huge legal collision. Is genetic data a corporate asset or immutable human biology? Well, federal bankruptcy courts coldly viewed the DNA database as just a freely transferable corporate asset. But privacy advocates and states like Texas pushed back, citing unfulfilled deletion requests and national security.
The court's ruling? Passive waiting wasn't enough. If users didn't actively hit delete, their DNA was sold.
Ethicists argued this completely bypassed reconsent, leaving massive national security vulnerabilities wide open.
To avoid this nightmare, institutions like the Mayo Clinic are building much safer B2B privacy architectures.
They use federated learning guardrails and virtual environments. The raw patient data always stays under hospital control.
As Mayo's leadership perfectly summarized, the goal is sharing the AI insight but not the data. Ultimately, 23andMe's massive valuation decline highlights the friction between aggressive AI data harvesting and consumer privacy. So, will your biological blueprint simply become another liquidated asset in the massive AI rush?